Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to log rotation separately on each screen. So, at first you need to scroll down to the control panel on the inner screen, on this one, this big one, this 8-inch screen. Here you need to prolong this panel and find auto rotate. I've got it here. If you don't see auto rotate here, you need to tap this pen icon, edit, add a control, and here in display you need to find auto rotate, tap it, and it will be automatically added to this section, expandable area. So once you have it done, you can select what setting you just wish. Like for example, I want to have it set to portrait. Now fold your screen, and here you need to do the same, actually quite the same. Here I want it, for example, to auto rotate, and now here once I enter some application like for example YouTube, it will auto rotate by itself, and it will be the same like lock to portrait on the inner screen. That's how it works. You need to just select the preferred setting on this screen and on this screen, and it will be all saved to the display. Bye!